Representatives of organizations of women of all circles in the North, South and overseas held a seminar for having the issue of sexual slavery for the Imperial Japanese Army settled in Shenyang of China on March 29, at which they made public a joint resolution. It called on all women in the North, South and overseas to force Japan to pay for all crimes of aggression, resolutely hold in check its moves for reviving militarism and attempt at reinvasion, and take the lead in bringing about a new phase of the improved inter-Korean relations and peace and prosperity under the banner of the Korean nation itself. It went on. We will stage a more dynamic struggle and solidarity activities to let the international community know about hideous crimes related to the sexual slavery for the Imperial Japanese Army and force the Japanese government to make apology and reparation for them. Through meetings, seminars, testimonies, photo exhibitions and signature campaigns, and various other activities, we will intensify the struggle to fully reveal the shuddering crimes against humanity perpetrated by Japan against Korean women, and make it pay for all crimes related to the sexual slavery in firm solidarity with people of different circles, at home and abroad. We will become increasingly vocal, condemning Japan's war crimes against humanity in the international community, in solidarity with progressive women's organizations and personages in Japan, Asian countries and other states that fell victim to the sexual slavery for the Imperial Japanese Army, international bodies and international human rights organizations. We will wage a more vigorous drive for demanding the Japanese authorities make apology and reparation for all the crimes Japan committed during its past colonial rule. We will force Japan to make honest apology and full reparation for all state-sponsored crimes. We will also conduct a courageous joint action to take back valuable historical relics and cultural artifacts looted by the Japanese imperialists. We will resolutely counter Japan's distortion of history and moves to grab top pilots through a nationwide struggle. We will intensify the struggle against Japan's moves to revive militarism and unreasonable suppression of Koreans in Japan. We will stage brisk nationwide solidarity activities to check the Japanese authorities' politically motivated persecution and human rights abuses against Koreans in Japan. The victims of the colonial rule in the past and their descendants have their national rights and free activities guaranteed and protect the national education of the children of Koreans in Japan in particular. The women in the North, South and overseas will take the lead in ushering a new phase of the improved inter-Korean relations, independent reunification, peace and prosperity in firm unity under the banner of by our nation itself. We will stage a dynamic anti-war peace movement for opposing all the war exercises for aggression threatening peace on this land. Rodong Sinman.